What's up, you guys? It's Hailey, and today I'm going to be taking you through my nighttime skincare routine. I've been loving the new bareMinerals Ageless Collection, which uses a retinol alternative that's just as effective. It helps to prevent and correct signs of aging while still being super gentle on my skin and doesn't cause any irritation like a traditional retinol tends to. What I really love about these products is I feel like I can use them, my mom can use them, my older sister could use them. They're really good for a lot of different age ranges. You can use it with the Skin Longevity Long Life Herb Serum, which is a product that I've always loved from bareMinerals. This product is really good for fighting against free radicals and environmental damage, something that I think is really important for the skin in these times. Next is going to be the Ageless Phyto-Retinol Night Concentrate. It's a potent, lightweight lotion that contains 10% phytoretinol. So the way I like to apply a lot of my skincare products is instead of rubbing it into the face like this, I just like to press it into the skin, which I think helps your skin to absorb products a little bit better. There are protein peptides and hyaluronic acid in it, which helps hydrate and smooth and plump the skin. Those are two of my favorite ingredients. Next is going to be the Ageless Phyto-Retinol Face Cream, and I love this one because I definitely think it helps to hydrate and really lock in the moisture. This is a really incredible cream because it helps to significantly reduce the signs of aging and fine lines and uneven skin tone. It's super rich and just really delicious on the skin. So you can massage it into your skin in an upward motion like this. Okay, so moving on to the Ageless Phyto-Retinol Neck Cream. Ladies and gents, it is important not to forget the neck and the décolletage area. If you're ever concerned about crepiness or aging, signs of aging in that area, then I definitely recommend the Ageless Phyto-Retinol Neck Cream. It's amazing. So take a little bit, massage into the neck like so. You can go upwards too. Massage into the chest area. My mom loves this product. She takes really good care of her skin and her neck and her chest, so this is one of her absolute must-haves, and I totally agree with that. Okay, so last but not least, the Ageless Phyto-Retinol Eye Cream. This eye cream is super rich and it helps a lot with fine lines, crow's feet, puffiness. It also helps to even skin tone, help with pigmentation. And I like to just take it and tap it under like this. I like to be really gentle under the eyes because the skin is a little bit thinner here, so keep that in mind. Never be rough around the eyes. It's also a vegan and cruelty-free formula. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are looking for an anti-aging routine that is clean and gentle, I definitely recommend you check out these products.